Hello guys, and thanks for joining me on this very quick video. So I just thought I'll take a minute to announce that I'm closing in on that 10k, but more importantly, I've got a new perk that's come out for my patrons and YouTube channel members, which is my illustrated paint lists, which include all the paints used using Vallejo paints, covering pretty much most of what I'm going to be painting. It is going to take some time, but we're up to about 7 or 8 lists so far, and I'm slowly releasing them as I go. But the higher the perk, the better the bonuses that you get. So within all of that, I'm actually making up my own book. So Panzer Aces and Tank Commanders get access to this. I'm going to release it on a monthly basis. So they're going to be getting access to this PDF just whilst I make it, and then it will become its own standalone book. But I'll give you a little snippet of what it's all going to be about in just a moment, as well as just sort of give you an idea of what sort of substance is going to be behind this book. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you do enjoy this perk. And thank you to all of those that are already supporting me before this perk sort of took off. But yeah, thanks guys. Now, initially, this perk is going to include just paint lists, unless you are that Tank Commander or Panzer Ace. So within the paint list, as I said, there are going to be illustrations of videos that I've made, but without the model that I've painted. I'm just going to find an illustration and just link some of the paints that I've used on there in the format that you can see on the screen, which I teased not too long ago on my social media accounts. Now, all of the patrons other than the drivers, so that's the tier 1s, will get access just to the paint lists, but then obviously the higher you go, the more info you're going to get. Now, I did mention the book. The book is planned. I don't know when it's going to come out or how much it's going to cost and such, but I'm slowly working my way through it. The plan is to release it in volumes, so we'll be looking at the Germans to start off with, and you'll get pages that look similar to the one that's on screen now, where I focus on uniforms and then go into the equipment and weaponry and such. So God knows how many pages it's going to be. Probably try and keep it under 50 pages, but it all just depends on what I end up thinking is worth putting in this book. And by book, I mean it's a PDF book. It's not going to be a actual hard copy unless somebody picks it up. I don't think that's ever going to happen. It's just going to be easier to do a PDF. But really interested to know if you guys are interested in this book, what sort of things you would like to see in a book. It's going to be targeted at these sort of beginner and intermediate level painters like myself, so it's not going to be too difficult to follow along with. Have a few little tips and tricks in there, and hopefully something that's going to be found useful, at least anyway. So yeah, this is just a little teaser of what's to come. I am promoting it as best I can just to sort of get some support behind it. But from now on, there probably won't be too much more on this scene unless you are one of those members or patrons, because I want to keep it just as an exclusive perk. But this is just a little glimpse as to what is happening behind the scenes, and I'll probably keep this going sort of monthly or every second month, just to give you guys an update with where the book's at, but not give too much away. All right guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you at the next one.